So now I will show you how I transfer my file on my iPod. This is a wireless camera. Hey everyone! Before my unboxing, I would like to share to all of you the reason why I've got a new camera. So this is my Canon DSLR T3i, my 50mm lens, and also the Hero 4 for my action camera. This is my first DSLR for a long period of time. Anyway, let's go to the main reason why I need to get a new one. So the camera's card slot says it's write protect, and sometimes it says the card is full. So this is a new adapter, and I've got a new SD card and a new adapter, thinking that it might be the adapter or the SD card that causing the problem. But after trying a new SD card, let's see here, I still have the same notification. It says cards write protect and switch is set to lock, so always like that. So, and this is another one that I will try. And let's see what it says. And the same thing, cards write protect and switch is set to lock. So it's really a hassle for me to figure out, and I know fixing the camera costs a lot. So after many comparisons and watching all the reviews in YouTube, I decided to get this Canon M50. So I will show you my unboxing, and I decided not to talk and just listen to the sounds of my unboxing. I find it so interesting, the sounds of unboxing. It is like ASMR, and I will talk later in the last part of the video. So now I compare with my old Canon T3i and the Canon M50. The difference is so big because the M50 is very lightweight and very handy and compact. Not unlike the T3i, it's heavy and it's very bulky. So I find it very convenient to use the M50. Even if I change my lens and I put my M50 lens, it is still heavy because of the body of the camera. So the M50 lens is a little lighter weight, but this is a very good lens for portraits, so you can see the difference on the body, and I really impressed with the M50. Changing the lens of the camera is the same thing as my old Canon, the same basic procedure, so easy and similar functions as well. For the camera strap, the old Canon camera has a wider strap, while the M50 has a very slim strap, and it's so nice to put on your, on your neck, and it's very handy. I love this camera very much. So since I have a Canon M50 lens for my portrait photography, I bought a this is a lens mount adapter that is mainly used for connecting the Canon EF series lens to Canon EOS M series cameras. So basically this is just an adapter that you will connect on your M50 camera. It is a micro single camera bodies in the electronic ways. So it's very nice also, and I bought it because I like to use my M50 for portrait photography. So now I will show you how I transfer my file on my iPad. This is a wireless camera, and this is the button when you just press it and it will automatically connect it to your iPad or to my iPad, and it will choose iPad here, and it's a touch screen also. So when I press the iPad, it will search my connection, and then once it's find the connection, then it will go to my iPad and it starts saving image on my iPad. But I have to open the Canon apps on my iPad, and then I can see it remote live also, and then transfer the files directly to my iPad, so I don't need to remove the SD card every now and then just to transfer my files to my iPad, and I can see it remotely to the screen of my iPad. So this is my camera, and looking on my jade plant spot that I painted, and you can see it's blinking because it means it's transferring the files through wireless connection, and it's very handy and convenient. So I'm very happy with this purchase. So that's all for today, my fellow subscribers, and I hope you enjoy watching my unboxing and at the same time some tutorials on Canon M50. Bye!